will see in Bill Stein's full-up performance today. This is the slow roll. You not only get a chance to see how well this is performed, and you get a chance to see the different colors as the aircraft rolls around its axis. Then a quick aileron roll. The Edge 540, built in Guthrie, Oklahoma, has a roll rate of over 400 degrees each and every second. That is dizzying, and you and I, ladies and gentlemen, would be losing our lunch if we did that. Capable of speeds of over 225 miles per hour. This is one of the most sought-after types of aerobatic competition airplanes in the world. That was a triple knife-edge tumble. Bill has over 5,000 hours of aerobatic and formation flight time and is currently regarded as one of the best airshow entertainers in the world today. He started flying aerobatics when he was still a student pilot. Didn't even have his private pilot's license. There's the hammerhead stall turnaround. Turns it on a dime, gives you 9 cents change.